welcome to my channel. I'm Deni, and today I'm going to be swatching the metal glosses from LA Colors. I actually have 5 shades that I found at the dollar store. So if you're a regular here, you know that I shop at the Dollar Tree, and they brought these guys. The metal lip glosses, and they're supposed to be shiny metal matte finishes, which at first when I saw lip gloss, I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of not ready for it, but these are actually really great. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them for you. Right now I have on one of those lip glosses. I have on the shade Spicy, and what do you think? So let's just start with that one. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that on my hand so that you can see the pigmentation is there. They stay on. They're not transfer proof, but they do look very beautiful, and they're not as glossy or sticky like other lip glosses tend to be. I really like the formula to this lip gloss, so it is Deni approved, if that makes any difference in your life. Also, they are fairly easy to take off. So the next color that I am going to test on my lips for you is the shade Lust, and it is this color right here. Seems to be like a champagne gold color, same doe foot applicator, which is super cute. So this is one coat on my lips, and I really like the way this guy looks right now. It seems so like radiant but metal, and I like the opacity that it has right now, but for review purposes I will do a second layer. As you see, there is the shade. I will also be doing a swatch on my hand. That is one swipe. I am loving the formula and loving the color. This is such a gorgeous shade. The next shade is Cultured. It is this shade right here, which looks a little bit similar to what I just had on, but I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it side by side. My swatching skills are not that great. This right here is that Cultured shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my lips. So this right here is one coat. I will say this one has a lot more glitter to it. As opposed to the metal look, it has a more glittery finish. I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a second coat so that you can see. So that is the second coat on my lips, and I really am liking this formula. Even though it can be a little glittery, it doesn't have chunks that you can feel on your lips, so it feels really nice and smooth even throughout. Even when I go and I press my lips together, as you can see, like it doesn't look like chunks of glitter, but it is very reflective. I am loving it. So the next shade that I picked up is this one right here, which is the shade Heroin, and it is this hot fuchsia pink looking color, which I am very excited for. This is it outside. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that on my hand as well. Super pigmented. What can I say? So as you see from the application, it is very opaque on its own just with one coat. I really love this fuchsia color. It is so beautiful. Usually I'm not a fan of fuchsia colors because they're just a little bit out there, but this one I can really rock with. I like it. And this one doesn't seem to have the same type of glitter that the last two had. So for my reviewing purposes, I'm going to go ahead and give me a second coat so that you can see the opacity. it is with the second coat. It's super shiny, but it doesn't feel sticky, and it just feels really comfortable on my lips. I'm not just saying that, these are actually really wonderful lip glosses, and when I say that, you gotta go ahead and get it, because I almost never find a good lip gloss. And the last shade is this one right here, which by far is one of my favorites. This one is in the color Desire, and it is like a copper brick red. So I am loving this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this on my hands as well as my lips. And that right there is this color. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. So this is it on after I swatched it on my hand and using whatever was on the applicator itself. It is very opaque, goes on like a dream. I can't say more good things about these lip glosses. I am really loving them, but let's go ahead and do the second coat. So here it is with the second coat on, and it is just so beautiful. This one right here is my favorite color of the bunch. I have 5 of the shades that they came out with. I think I am gonna go back to the Dollar Tree and go ahead and look to see if they have the rest of the shades, and I'm gonna definitely pick them up because I am loving this formula. If you have a Dollar Tree near you and you see these, I would definitely recommend them. As you are seeing, they are awesome. They stay on and they just look really beautiful. So if you like this lip swatch, let me know, because I also picked up the metal lipsticks, and if you want to see me do a review or lip swatch on these, I definitely will do it. I have 5 of those shades as well. I can definitely put that video together for you guys. Go ahead and give me a like if you like this video. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Click the notification bell so that you know when I upload new videos. Go ahead and become a member of my Gonz fam, and as always, from my house to yours. Love ya.